You get it? Good. Oh, close. You gotta turn it. That's a hard one, that diamond. Try a different one. Do you want Mama help?
Help.
Here. Yay! Out. Put it in. Out. Can you put it in? Yay! It won't quite fit because you got it twisted. That diamond. Yeah. Do you need help? Help, please? Okay. Mama help you. Okay, look. Watch Mama. Diamond. Yay. Which one you going to take out now? Oval and square. Okay, put them back. You got it. Yay. Okay, put the square back. You do it. You don't need help. You do it. That's a hard puzzle. Pieces don't quite fit, huh? You do it. You do it. You can do it. Put it in there. It's a bus. You gonna put the square back? Put it back here. Yay! All done? All done? All done.